Hey, are you looking to have more happiness in your life? Well, then stay tuned as I share my 3 top tips on my gratitude practice. Welcome back to another Mind Right Monday. I'm your host, Bonnie Kelly, and today we're talking about my top 3 gratitude practices to boost your happiness. Now, gratitude is one of these topics that everybody continues to advocate for. You need the attitude of gratitude. And honestly, it's true. Because the attitude of gratitude is going to increase your vibrational energy. It's going to align you with more joy, purpose, satisfaction, and happiness. Now, if that sounds like something that you want more of, then let's dive into my first tip, which is choose one time each day. All right, so if you want to have success with your attitude of gratitude, the number one thing that I do is consistency. I have a consistent time each and every single day that I practice gratitude. Now, if you just put it on your to-do list and say you're going to get to it at some part of your day, guess what? Your day is going to just sabotage you. It's going to run away from you, and you're never going to make time for it. This is also why I go to the gym in the morning versus saying that I'm going to do it after work, because I can come up with 1,000 excuses of why I can't get that done by 5 o'clock. So choose a time of day that you know you can succeed and be consistent with it. Now let me leave this section off with a quick quote by Tony Robbins, who says, "It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our life, it's what we do constantly." All right, this leads me to my second tip for the day, which is share your gratitude. That's right, needs to be something that you don't just keep secret or you keep it to yourself. No, you need to be able to share this gratitude out with the world. Because when you are starting to express what you're grateful for to other people on social media, or to your friends or family. Maybe you need to have a gratitude partner or a gratitude group. That it could easily just be a text group that you send what you're grateful for every single day to help you hold yourself accountable. Now, that simple practice is now putting this energy out into the world. It is saying that I'm focused on what I appreciate. I'm focused on what fulfills me versus always seeing what's wrong. Because as you know, it's very easy to find the pain. It's a little bit more challenging to find the joy. So we need to start training our brain to find and appreciate more things in our life. Now let me end this section off with another quote, which is, "A friend can shape enthusiasm as well as accountability, and that serves to challenge you." Deanna Cosso. Powerful quote by a powerful woman. All right, guys, this leads me to my third and final quick tip for you today, which is choose something different every day. Don't get stuck in a rut. All right, so this third and final tip means that you need to expand your gratitude horizons. That's right. Instead of just being grateful for my house, my dog, my kids, my health, my family, you need to really dig deep and start to express gratitude in more unconventional ways. Be grateful for the spring and the flowers on the trees, for the bees that are pollinating the flowers that bring us honey or bring us almonds and peaches and all these fruits that grow on trees. You know, start to really appreciate things outside of the traditional, I'm really grateful for these. Start with that, but then add to it. Now, by challenging yourself in this way, what it's going to do is going to expand your gratitude horizons. And then you're going to find in random moments in your life this deep sense of appreciation for the little things, for the little gestures that people make, for the little moments that make up life. So you're not always just waiting for these big milestones to feel joy and happiness and gratitude. Rather, that we start to increase our happiness on all these little things each and every day. All right, this leads me to my third and final quote for today, which is, "A grateful heart is a beginning of greatness. It is an expression of humility. It is the foundation for development of such virtues as prayer, faith, courage, contentment, happiness, love, and well-being." Hopefully you guys have learned something today. Remember to share, remember to like, remember to comment on this, whether it is on our YouTube channel, whether it's on our podcast channel, whether it is on our blog. Wherever you found this, make sure to like, share, and follow us on all these different network platforms so you never miss a beat. And until next week, I'm Bonnie Kelly.